Welcome to Clement's Family Farm. Today we are doing dill pickled chicken wings. It is a staple in our house because we love dill pickle. We also love chicken wings. So when we eat our dill pickles, we save all the juice. We usually buy it in 1 gallon jugs or half-gallon jugs. So when we're done with the juice, we save it. Put it in the back of the fridge until we are ready to have chicken wings. This is a really easy recipe, so if you like dill pickles and chicken wings, this recipe is for you. Alright, so let's get on with the recipe, and I really hope you guys enjoy this one. Alright, the recipe for the pickled chicken wings is really easy. I don't know about you, but I like to buy bulk pickles because we go through them like crazy, but I don't like the flavor of the pickle juice. Vlasic's okay as long as it's kosher, because the koshers are less salty. But it doesn't matter which one you do. I buy these cheap ones and the Vlasic. But the one thing I do with the pickles is I season them myself. I will pull out some of the fluid when we get them. I'll add some of the seasonings that we like. More dill, garlic, onion, whatever you prefer. Put it back in there. Oh, a little vinegar. Shake it all up and let them sit for a day, and the flavors incorporated and you don't get all that salt. So anyway, when we're all done eating the pickles, we save the juice from all of our pickle jars just for this occasion. And it's really easy. Just take your jar, and I want to fill this jar with chicken wings. So I don't want to overfill it. And I still have some pickles in here, which is not a big deal, because I haven't flavored the Vlasic. We really don't do that on those. But I'm just going to put some of that juice in here, and that gives me more room to put chicken wings. And we just buy the cheapest bag that we can find of chicken wings. We get them on sale. We bulk up on them in the freezer just for this day, because we love our pickled chicken wings. These ones are frozen. It's not a big deal. You need to plan 24 hours in advance for this recipe. And just put them in your pickle juice. You don't have to worry about them being frozen. 24 hours soaking in this juice. We're going to go directly into the refrigerator with these. They're going to defrost in this juice, and they'll be perfect for tomorrow. They're going to soak up all this flavor. Alright, that's perfect. They'll defrost and go down in there. And now all you're going to do is take that pickle juice, top it off. Put the lid back on it and throw it in the refrigerator. We'll come back tomorrow and I'll show you the next step. Alright, it's been 24 hours since we put the chicken wings in the dill pickle juice and had them sitting overnight. And now we're ready to season them up and get them on the pit or oven. You could do it two ways. You can either put them on a smoker grill, barbecue pit, or in the oven. If I said just the oven, 400 degrees, and check it in 15 minutes. Chicken wings, depending on if they're fresh or frozen, could take up to an hour. But pay attention because every oven's different, and just check them every 15 minutes. Rotate them if you need to, and they'll get that nice golden crisp. But this is really easy. Once you get them out of the refrigerator, take them over to the sink, dump them out, rinse them. Just rinse them off once. You don't have to get all the little nooks and crannies, all the seasoning that was on there off, and then strain it. So I have mine sitting here in the strainer, and all I'm going to do, I just let them dry for, I don't know, 15 minutes. I'm going to put them on the tray here. Now, I do recommend, this is a 24-hour process. Check them in the morning. And if they're still frozen coming out of the refrigerator, just leave them out on the counter. there's enough coldness in the jar with it still being frozen to be okay, but just leave them on the counter until you're ready to cook them. I pulled mine out at 2 o'clock. It's 2:30 now. They're still a little frozen, but if you do it first thing in the morning, put them on the counter, they'll get nice and marinated. Oh, look at that, they're a little pickled. I just lay mine out on the tray. You could do it in a bowl. And as far as seasoning on the pickled chicken wings, you can use whatever you like. Trader Joe's actually has pickle seasoning. I haven't tried it yet, or I would be doing it today. But for the most part, I just use a little bit of garlic, black pepper, and today I'm using, it's caramelized onion, and then a little bit of dill weed. They're dill pickles, right? So you got to add a little bit of dill weed. And I'm just going to put these together and just lightly season these with the mixture. I'm going to flip them over and do the same thing. That's it. I'm going to put them on a rack and we're going to go put them on the grill. Alright, so once they're on the rack, they're ready to go on the grill. If you're going to use them in the oven, I recommend using a tray, line it with some tin foil. That way you don't make a mess in your oven and you'll be good to go. But I like these racks because I can either put them in the oven or in my grill, my pellet grill. Alright, we're going to take these now and go put them in the grill. Alright, so we're here at the grill. And you notice I didn't say salt when I used the seasoning because the dill pickle juice has enough salt in it and you can always season afterwards. So I never use any salt in my ingredients, especially doing the chicken wings like this because there's plenty of salt in there. So anyway, just going to throw them on the grill. My grill's set at 350 and I'll be checking them every 15 to 20 minutes. We'll come back, show you the end result. Alright, it's been about 45 minutes. I've been checking them about every 15 minutes and they are done. So, this is the perfect time that if you want to add a sauce or something to them, go ahead and do it now. Add a little bit and then put it back on the grill. I don't particularly like a ton of sauces on my chicken, but I make this habanero honey straight from Arby's, and all I gotta do is put half of them in a bowl, spray a little honey on it, not too much, coat them real good, and then put them back on the grill. And that's all there is to it. I don't add a ton of seasoning to them, and from here we're gonna take them in the house, let them cool off a little bit, and have ourselves some chicken wings. Some dill pickle chicken wings. Alright. That's pretty much it. Get them off the grill, get them cooled off a little bit, and put them on your plate. Today's my birthday, and this is the meal that I wanted. I wanted dill pickle chicken wings. It's one of my favorites. I hope you all enjoy this one. I got a little bit of broccoli salad and a little macaroni salad with my dill pickle chicken wings. Couldn't be happier today. Well, maybe, but... I hope you all enjoy this recipe because it's really easy, and I hope you all try it out. And if you do and you like it, make sure you comment down below and let me know how you like it. It goes good with ranch dressing too. Anyway, from Clement's Family Farm, we'll see you on the next one. And I'm going to sit here and eat my chicken wings. Dill pickle chicken wings. Anybody catch that? Made my own birthday dinner. She made the salad though. Oh, these are fantastic.